Hi, this is John with WTI, and this is one of my backpacks, but this is like my favorite one because it's like my commute. Easy, comfortable, and I just take it and grab it and go to any place. This is my North Face backpack that I use it for several situations. I can put my laptop in, slash a couple of my gadgets, and then I'm out. I have another backpack, but it's more for bigger trips. But this one, the North Face Connection, it just works great. It's comfortable. It's padded in the back. Has a great support. It's just has a great capability of holding a lot of things, and it just works great. I put my 15-inch laptop there, and fits nice. I can take it to several places. Has two sides for the water bottles, two front options, and it just has the great quality that North Face just knows how to do it. So if you're looking for a great backpack that's gonna do the job for you wherever you go, is an easy take and leave backpack. It's gonna be comfortable whenever you're gonna take it. This one from North Face is a great option. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.